Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making earrings. This one? Nah. तो हम बनाएंगे अपने लिए एक all DIY earrings. So जैसे कि आप सबको पता ही है, लॉकडाउन का टाइम चल रहा है और हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है शॉपिंग करने का. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग हम कर ही नहीं सकते. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्यों ना हम अपने लिए ईयरिंग खुद ही बना ले. What say? तो मैं तो बनाने वाली हूँ खुद के लिए ईयरिंग, क्योंकि मैं शॉपिंग नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to make this earring, we require fabric. We can also use any waste piece of cloth, ghungroo, or we can use any stones or the DST double-sided tape and cardboard, decorative lace and some this kind of things, hooks और जो earrings के ऊपर लगता है, and of course a pair of scissors. और बाकी मुझे कुछ अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ होगा तो वीडियो में देख लेंगे. ओके, so let's get started. क्यों भाई क्यों, वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही. Here I am using scale and pencil to make rectangles for my earrings, as I want them in rectangle shape. But you can go for any shape that you desire. Just make sure whatever shape you go for, make 4 replicas of it. Cut it out. Once you are ready with your shape, apply DST, that is double-sided tape, or you can also use Fevicol. After attaching the fabric, cut the excess fabric, but do not cut the entire excess fabric, because later on we need to fold the fabric as well. See, the reason being trimming the little extra fabric is that if we don't do it, it will make our earring look bulky and it also won't give a good finishing. That's why I just trimmed it. Perfect! Take a decorative lace and apply it at the edges of the rectangle. This step is totally optional. hours later. Here I am using these hooks from my old earrings. You always just don't need to buy everything. You can look for options and you will always find it. Following the same steps, I have made the other pair of earrings. Following the same steps, I have also prepared a pendant for the neck piece. And now we have to cut a strip out of the fabric that we used earlier to cover the rectangle of our earring. After you are done with the cutting, fold it into half and stitch it. Here I am using a needle and a thread to stitch it, but if you have a sewing machine, go use it. And if you do not have that much excess fabric left after making your earrings, do not worry guys. We have an alternate option for this as well. What we can do is we can use the anchor thread and fold the yarns depending upon how much thick you want the string to be. As you have seen, I stitched it. I am just turning the fabric inside out. Now fold the string into 2 equal halves and cut it. Make sure that you are securing both the ends really well so that it doesn't come out or fall apart. Now to make a tassel, I have taken a cardboard and wrapping the thread round the cardboard multiple times in the same direction. Comb the tassel for a better finish. Cut the tips of the tassel to get a finished and fine edge. Do like, share, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it as well. Hit the bell button and I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care.